Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to maths class. It's your maths book countdown, book 1, third edition. Today we will revise addition and subtraction. So open book page number 85. Now student, let's start. When we add 0 in 0, answer is 0. When we add 3 and 2, answer is 5. So when we add 30 in 20, so our answer is 50. Now we will solve sums of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from 0, our answer is 0. And when we subtract 2 from 3, our answer is 1. So our answer is 10. Student, you will identify the symbols, then solve the sums, and also practice of these sums on your rough copies, and revise 2 and 3 timetables and send your homework. Allah Hafiz.